Hello viewers, today we will solve one more question of a binary tree, which is LeetCode 113 part sum 2. In this question you just have to return the 2D vector which containing the sum is equals to the target sum. Okay, so you just have to return those parts which containing the sum equals to the target sum. First you have to create a vector 2D vector comma int comma answer and vector comma int comma v, and you just have to create the helper function which passes the root v comma answer comma target sum. Okay, so you just have to do this, and after that you just have to return the answer. Let's make the helper function. Void helper is basically tree node star root comma vector comma int amper v vector comma vector int ampersand answer and int sum. Okay, you just have to check if root equals to null, then you just have to return because it is a void function, and after that you just have to v dot push back root का val. Okay, and again you just have to check the condition if root का left is equals to null and root का right is equals to null. Then you again check the condition if root का val is equals to sum. Okay, and then you just have to push back the answer dot push back v. Okay, and after that you just have to write the condition for helper function as helper root का left comma v comma answer and root का val. Okay, sum minus, sorry, it will be a sum minus root का val because we again helper root का right comma v comma answer comma sum minus root का val. Okay, so after this you just have to pop back the v dot pop back. Let's run this code whether it is running properly or not. Yeah, this works fine. Let's submit it. Yeah, thanks for watching this code.